guys, this is Lazy Boy, and I'm just going to move mics out the way. Basically, what it was, I came across a water leak, so what I'm going to do, because with my radiator having no water in it, so I'm going to check the timing, because things are starting to get a bit loud at the top end. So, this is a video for the guys on the Terra derbi 125 group. So these guys know how to set the timing. It's pretty simple, really. But for these mechanics who are investigating these bikes, you guys suck. Especially if you haven't worked it out. But to another mechanic, basically, this will help you out quite a bit, hopefully. And what I'm doing is I am releasing the spoiler, so I can get that pipe off, so we can get the top off, and then we'll find dead center, and well, top center, sorry. Then we can proceed and see if my timing's out, and if it's out, I'll show you how to recorrect it. Right, ooh, it jizzed. Lovely bike. Okay. Wrong bit. There's the bits here. So there is 4 of these screws, well, bolts. You just undo them as much as you can. But what we need to do is we need to get our spark plug out first. So I'm not going to remove all the threads. I'm not going to remove them altogether. I'm just going to keep it in position, and I'm fogging up like crazy here. And there's another one just here. So there we go. Right, I need to get a 16mm long reach. Excuse me. I think that's 16mm. Yep. And I need your and your. And everything should just go in, and all what you need to do is to either extend your bar just a fraction, because I'm hitting things a little bit too low down, and there we go. Take them off. I'm fogging up like crazy in here, and I got to be a little bit quick as well, as cause the weather is going to change real bad. It's been spitting on the rain, so that's why I got cloths ready, just in case. Are you out? Yes. Right, go and get need a little set of pliers. And there's a good opportunity to check your spark plug as well while you're actually doing this. Check if it's burning correctly. It's burning a little bit lean, but not far from perfect. And it should be a brick colour, and it's not far from it. So that's actually burning right. So we'll go back to removing the actual cap nuts. So this one I always take out first, and I remove the head so I still have a bit of grip still set in place. Just move my helmet a little bit. Right, mark that there. And the rest of them just requires just to pull them out. Okay, now you just give it a slight wiggle and it should just move things out the way and she should just pop out. What else is stopping it? Now you want to exit it out the side of the bike. If I can't, right, what's stopping that? A load of wiring. There we go. Okay, that's your header cap. There should be a rubber bung right there. Try and leave that into position. Right, it doesn't matter about this, you can actually remove that. Put that somewhere safe. Okay, the next job is finding top center. And when you find top center, you'll be moving the cam chains and everything. Okay. Too big. Just right. And just make sure you have everything in line so you can see it, and it's starting to spit. Just feel a drop of it there. Okay. Big aggressive Allen key. Put that there. And what you're trying to do is you're going to find top dead center. And you can see a little notch just there. You move the engine forward. I think that's a nick. And there she is. There's dead center. Okay. Okay. Right. It looks like that cam is out of line. Well, I won't be sure till they're off. Okay. What am I looking for? Okay. Is it that one? Yep. Alright, these bolts are slightly pressurized. It's just to hold everything down. Okay, now proceed moving the brace, and it's going to be stuck down by oil. Actually, yeah, they're in line. You know how I can tell? And I'll show you how to line these up. This is the hard part. How you set the timing. Okay, you find 2 nuts like this. Okay, you drop them right in there, but you make sure these ones are slightly tight through the first major hole, so that way you can set the timing. That's that one, and that's that one. So you can tighten them up while they're moving, and that's basically it. That's how you set the timing. You set them by the holes pointing up, and you line them up with these holes what's there, and you can see how snug they fit. So if you break out a say 13mm long reach and you start tightening up your cam heads, the chains, they won't spin around. They are locked into place, and I'll show you this. And if it moves, you got to reset it. Okay. See, I'm putting a lot of pressure there. You can hear it clicking there. And that's how you set your timing, guys. Couple of screws, whack them in. You might have to give it a little bit of funky doodardy to get the buggers back out, but it's well worth it in the end, and that's how you set your timing. Make sure you find top dead and center. I'll put the link in the description how you do this, where you find top center, so you guys know what you're looking for, and so you can actually save yourself maybe a couple of £100 just by doing this, because you're gonna have a mechanic going ooh ah. It took us like God knows how long to figure it out, but either way we still mucked it up for you. This way it's a little bit safer, and it will save you a lot of money. So on that note, guys, ride safe, and hopefully I see you out there, and I hope this helped you out. Now I'm going to take this helmet off because I am sweating my nads off. Alright, laters.
I've been on my way now. My head is down on an empty road, but I can hear your name loud. I'm not alone. Tick-tock running out. You found